A conditional safety rating is issued by the FMCSA after a DOT compliance review. Receiving this rating indicates you don't have effective compliance management practices in place. Roadside inspection violations cause a trucking company's CSA BASIC scores to increase. If you don't make improvements, you might end up in a compliance review and possibly with a conditional safety rating. A conditional rating affects your insurance rates, leading to higher premiums or even non-renewal. You can also have serious business issues if brokers and shippers choose not to work with you while in conditional status. So, how can you improve your FMCSA safety rating? You must submit a corrective action plan to the FMCSA as soon as possible. Upgrading your rating can take 3 to 6 months, so submitting a solid corrective action plan is essential. Your closeout document will outline how you did and includes your proposed safety rating. It will also outline all violations received. Use this document as the basis for your corrective action plan. Your CAP should detail each violation, corrective actions taken, and future prevention measures. Evidence is crucial in supporting your plan, and many plans get denied due to lack of evidence. So, be as thorough as possible with your first attempt. Feeling overwhelmed? We will create and submit a solid corrective action plan for you. Click below to learn more.